Who do you think you talking to? No, he's been mine forever. Dab on you.
A lot of women don't know they ratchet, so I'm about to help y'all out. If two of your baby daddies locked up, you keep it hot and ready, you ratchet.
What? Bitch? Hell no, bitch, hold my hair.
Setting me in my home, girl, because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to bed on no chase, where the hell could you go?
You Mickey Mouse looking ass, turkey ass burger bitch. What you want?
Back at it again with the white dance.
There's some people on here that I'm like, oh, they're truly some talented dancers. And then I see some other ones, I'm like,
you keep getting in my face. Get out my face, honey. Get out my face, baby. Okay, you about to have a problem.
Listen to me. You don't even know what you talk about. Okay, boy, why do you do this?
God, Gabby, why do you have to be the winner? Gabby, everybody hates you. I'm telling my mommy.
I ain't no tool, so why the hell they calling me a ratchet? I don't crank nuts.
What? Bitch, what happened in here? This is some nasty shit. What?
Twinkle, twinkle, little hoe, just how low can you go? Spread her legs so very wide, she won't cry cause she's not so tired.
Bestie! Bestie! It's 8 in the morning.
I don't even know why bitches even try anymore. They can't win.
Right, so the bus just dropped me off at home, and me and Angel, we got bread on the table. Don't you worry.
I mean, he's